Today I'm going to show you how to make battered French fries, super crunchy and delicious. Come, let me show you pasito pasito. We're going to need a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to add adobo and sazon, a little of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Trust me, it's good. And we're going to add like half a cup of water. It has to be like a pancake batter. This is what you're looking for. You see? Here I have my potatoes that I already rinsed very well, and I cut them into these sizes. We're gonna add our potatoes now to our mixture. Let's mix this well. Our oil has to be pretty hot. We're gonna start frying them. We're gonna fry them for like around 5 minutes until they turn nice, crispy, golden, and delicious. Just make sure they cook all the way through. When they start turning this color, they're done. Look at this. Look how delicious and crispy and golden. Mayonnaise and ketchup. Qué ricura.